To ensure product consistency, Nudura has concentrated all of its state-of-the-art manufacturing operations in-house. Nudura insulated concrete forms are made from expanded polystyrene panels joined by high-density polypropylene webs. Each Nudura form is carefully inspected to ensure product quality. Once manufactured, Nudura forms are oven-cured for 48 hours to ensure that product dimensions are always within specifications. Nudura forms have some unique features that may surprise you, even if you are already familiar with other ICFs. Take this standard form, for example. The first thing you notice is its size, 8 feet long by 18 inches high. A longer form means fewer forms per course, which in turn means reduced labor. Take a closer look at the form. Notice it has no top or bottom. The reversible interlock design makes the forms easier to place and minimizes waste. Another important feature is the web design. To start with, the webs are hinged, allowing the forms to be collapsed. The folded forms are easier to store and are less susceptible to shipping damage. The dual support web design makes it possible to cut the forms lengthwise into 2 usable 9-inch high units, measured from shoulder to shoulder. The result? Greater building flexibility and reduced waste. And here's a big one. The webs have built-in fastening strips that lock the forms together course to course. As a result, you rarely need additional form support, and you don't have to worry about the forms floating upward during concrete placement. And still on the subject of web design, notice the webs extend the full height of the form. The resulting vertical support means you don't have to allow for compression when framing doors and windows. Standard forms come in widths of 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 inches. The EPS thickness is the same for all widths. You don't have to compensate for diminished wall thickness when you're working with thinner forms. Of course, you can't put up a building without any corners. The Nudura lineup includes not only 90-degree corners, but also 45-degree units as well. Like the standard forms, these forms are collapsible and have reversible interlock. There are no left or right corners. Other forms include factory-cut radius units, brick ledges, and brick ledge extensions, T-forms, 8-foot panels with insert webs, single and 2-sided taper tops, height adjusters, and end caps. Related Nudura products include Form Lock, used to maintain wall straightness, Nudura waterproofing, Nudura Easy Buck for doors and windows, low expansion foam, alignment systems, an external vibrator, a floor connection system, and floor and ceiling panels. In a moment, we'll look at the tools you will need to build a Nudura wall.